In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. To follow along, sign into your company and make sure you're on the home dashboard. It helps to have your customers' contact details and the products or services you sell already set up. But don't worry, you can add what you need as you go. Start by selecting Create. This opens a menu of transactions you can make. Under Customers, choose Invoice. An invoice form appears with fields ready to fill out. At the top, pick your customer from the drop-down. If the person or business isn't listed yet, select Add Customer and enter their basic info. Including a valid email is important here, since QuickBooks will use it to send the invoice. Next, set your invoice date and due date. The invoice date is when you're billing. The due date should reflect your payment terms. Clear dates help your customer understand when payment is expected. Now move to the line items. For each line, choose the product or service you're billing for, then enter the quantity and the rate. QuickBooks calculates the amount automatically, and you can add a description to clarify what's included. If you use sales tax or discounts, make sure the correct options are applied so the total is accurate. Take a moment to review the subtotal, tax, and total at the bottom, and double-check any memo, purchase order number, or location and class tracking you rely on. Before sending, scan the entire invoice for accuracy, customer name, dates, items, and amounts. When everything looks right, click Save and Send at the bottom of the invoice window. This saves the transaction and opens the email preview. In the email window, confirm the customer email and make sure the message is clear and professional. You can customize the subject and body to include payment instructions or a friendly thank you. The PDF copy is typically attached automatically, which makes it easy for your customer to download or print. If your account supports online payments, the invoice can include a pay button, making it effortless for customers to settle balances. Keep your tone consistent and professional so your brand is clear. When you're satisfied with the email, click Send and close to send the invoice to your customer. QuickBooks records the invoice and updates its status, so you know it's on its way. That's it. You've created and sent an invoice in just a few steps. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.